In a small town nestled between rolling hills and meadows, there lived a woman named Laura, who had struggled with her weight for most of her life. Laura had always been on a quest to lose the extra pounds, but no matter how hard she tried, the weight never seemed to stay off for long. One sunny day, as she was taking a walk in the local park, she stumbled upon an antique shop she had never noticed before. Curiosity piqued, she decided to explore the shop. As she wandered through the aisles, she came across a mysterious-looking mirror. The mirror was ornate, with an intricate golden frame, and it seemed to emit an almost magical aura. The shop owner, an elderly woman with a warm smile, noticed Laura's fascination with the mirror and approached her. She said, "This mirror has a unique history. It's known as the mirror of reflection, and it's said to reveal your true self, inside and out." Laura, intrigued by the notion, decided to purchase the mirror and take it home. She placed it in her bedroom, unsure of what to expect. The following morning, as Laura stood in front of the mirror, she was astonished. The reflection staring back at her was not her usual self. It was her ideal self, fit and healthy. She couldn't believe her eyes. The mirror had shown her a vision of what she could become, and it was an incredible motivator. Determined to transform her life, Laura embraced the mirror's vision as her goal. She started a journey of disciplined eating and regular exercise, fueled by the daily motivation the mirror provided. Slowly but steadily, she began to shed the pounds. As the months went by, Laura's transformation was nothing short of remarkable. She grew healthier, more confident, and happier than ever. People in her town were amazed by her journey, and many started asking her for weight loss advice. However, there was something unusual about the mirror. Every time Laura looked into it, it showed her an improved version of herself, but it also revealed a glimpse of someone else lurking in the background. At first, she dismissed it as a trick of the light, but the second figure seemed more distinct each day. One evening, as Laura gazed into the mirror, she noticed the second figure becoming clearer. To her shock, it was a woman who bore an uncanny resemblance to her, but she looked gaunt and weak, with a sad and lost expression. This discovery sent a chill down Laura's spine. She couldn't understand the meaning behind this mysterious second figure. It was as if the mirror was trying to convey a message. Laura was determined to uncover the truth. One day, as she stared into the mirror, she realized that the second figure was no longer in the background. It had stepped forward, and their reflections merged. Laura was confronted by a poignant truth. The second figure was a representation of her past, the woman who had struggled with weight and self-esteem, the woman who needed help. With tears in her eyes, Laura understood the mirror's message. It wasn't just about transforming herself. It was about reaching out to others who were on the same journey. She needed to help those who once looked like her past reflection, lost and in need of support. Laura became a beacon of hope for her community. She shared her story, inspired others, and offered guidance to those who sought her help. The mirror of reflection had not only transformed Laura's life, but had also led her to her true purpose. In the end, Laura discovered that the mirror's magic wasn't just about her weight loss. It was about the power of transformation, self-discovery, and extending a helping hand to others on their journeys. It was a story that left a lasting impact on her town as they learned the importance of embracing their true selves inside and out.